Well, hey everybody, have you heard the great news? Thrive Life has 3 big sales per year, and right now, coming up in April, this is one of them. Well, hi guys, I am Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I am so excited to tell you about... Sorry about that, folks. Sometimes he gets so excited he can't contain himself. He is right though. Thrive has 3 big sales per year. The August sale, the back to school sale, the Black Friday sale in November, and then coming up this month in April is the spring sale. Now, this is a huge sale, but they haven't given us the details yet. The only thing they did was confirm to me that we will be having the sale. I don't know the dates, and I don't yet know which items will be on sale and how much the discount will be. But I can tell you it's almost always a huge sale. It's almost always everything on the website, and many times very deep discounts. So I'm very excited about this. As soon as I know the details, I'll let you know. As soon as I know the dates, and as soon as I know what's actually on sale, I'll let you know. But here's what I suggest. If you are on the monthly delivery service and you have a delivery scheduled for some time during the month, I suggest that if you want to take advantage of the sale, that you go into your delivery page, you know, the little truck up in the right hand corner, and change the delivery date to the end of the month, April 28th or April 30th, something like that. That way it won't ship until after I announce the dates. Then you can go in and decide what you want, change the date again to be during the sale so that you can get those sale prices. This is an absolutely fabulous opportunity, and I don't want you to miss out, either just to stock your pantry a little bit or to stock your long-term storage. It's really great. Now also, if you have ever considered becoming a consultant, now's a great time to do it right now, because it'll give you time to get yourself set up so that you can use the big sale to launch your business, because you can tell all of your friends about this big sale. It's a great way to launch your business. So if you're interested in doing that, just go to my website and click on Join Us at the top of the page, and just follow through with the online process. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I'd love to talk to you about that. My email is below, and also the link to my Thrive Life website is below. So I hope you're going to take advantage of this great big sale. Now, you told him, didn't you? Yeah, buddy, I did. I wanted to tell him. Maybe next time. Bye-bye.